Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Hello, crypto family. Hello. This is your girl Shamika, and this is Shamika from Get Money channel. I just want to go over another ICO that I am participating in. It is called Arbitrage Crypto Trader. All right, and it's trading cryptocurrency terminals for trading on two exchanges simultaneously, and that's what arbitrage trading is. Okay, we're gonna go down here and look at their website. Is just so amazing. It's just so fluid. It's just so fluid. Look at this. Like, oh my God, I'm impressed. I am very impressed. Welcome. Hello. We're glad to see you on this page on our project. Arbitrage Crypto Trader is a truly new, unparalleled instrumental trading tool for cryptocurrency, allowing you to trade on several exchanges for several pairs simultaneously. Find out more about our product by reading our website to the end, and we shall. Okay, let's go. The aim of this project is to give possibility for convenient inter-exchange arbitrage trade. You do not have to hire programmers to write bots for automatic trading, make up a TK for them, and try to explain what you need. The convenient interface of the program will help you trade in the manual mode, as exchanges differ in design and functionality, which sometimes make difficult to create quick orders. Besides, a price difference is displayed all the time, helping you make fast decisions. Additionally, trading functionality in one click and auto trade will become a wonderful assistant for the internal exchange arbitrage trade. Interesting. For traders, you have low load thanks to the good optimization of program code. Large exchanges. Terminal arbitrage works with most of the world's largest crypto exchanges. Monitor prices for your convenience. It analyzes and provide graphs and quotes with different pairs on a single chart. Automatic trading enables trading mode, set a minimal transaction threshold, whatever you want to work with. Mobility, you can have it on your phone or your desktop or tablet. We do not give anyone access to your wallet or your accounts. You work directly with stock exchanges. Profitability, the arbitrage scheme of trade is especially profitable in the world of crypto. Flexibility, you can independently select and monitor the exchanges you need to do the terminal. Participants, buy an ARCT token with a discount, doing ICO, early access to the trading terminal. For all participants at this stage, we will provide early access to a full trading terminal. You can start increasing your capital first. The system of bonuses for participants, we have provided a system of additional bonuses for large participants in our project. So those big whales. More details can be found in the white pages. We have strong growth. Okay. The ICO, you still have 4 days, guys. Let's get this money. 4 days, okay, and 9 hours. You still have time to get in on this ICO. The soft cap is 500 ETH, and you can participate in any of these 3 ways. I would say go through the website. I didn't do that at first because I didn't find it on their website. I found it through the Kick ICO, and I went through there, but it only took 1 day, and the tokens were in my wallet the next day. So that was awesome. And then I'm gonna show you my tokens here. You can go to right here. This is my Ether wallet. Go in here. Here's my ARCT tokens, 36,750. This is from my Crypterian ICO, 780, and my Filecoin, 2,511. These are all ERC20 tokens. Okay, so that is that. And these are the plans they have. This is what they've been working on since the beginning of last year, beginning of March. Okay, March, and what, 2 more months, it'd be a year. All right, June and August, they have the creation of the test prototype. They check 6 cryptocurrency exchanges on a history of 400 coins. September, they prep for the ICO. October, they started the pre-ICO. November, they did the preparation for the ICO and started their advertising campaign. November, December, they started the ICO. January, which we're in now, they added the ARCT token to the crypto sites. And they're going to open up a site with statistics on the stock exchanges, starting with a desktop on the terminal. February next month, This is what they want to do between the users, developing a mobile app. So they got a pretty good roadmap. I'm very interested and very excited. Very excited. Here's your team that is involved in this project here. And these are their partners here. Good stuff. I'm so excited. I'm all in, baby. I'm all in on this project. And this is what they do. And what do they have here? Yes, they have their prototype up on the site, baby. Yes, let's take a look, shall we? Okay, let's take a look, shall we? This is the prototype. Okay, so here's Binance and here's HIT BTC, and they're doing EOS and BTC. Okay, so this is what they have. They're trading, doing arbitrage between those two. Here's Binance, HIT BTC. There you go. Their estimate value is 1.04 Bitcoin. There's a profit here, 0.065%. All right, and these numbers are going to fluctuate instantly. All right, here's the stats. All right, there's the limit orders. I don't know if that work or not, but yeah, these are the limits. Oh, they do. Okay, the buttons work. Cool. And this is the timestamp. So yeah, this is a real working prototype. And not only that, they also made a big announcement, and it's on Twitter and on the Telegram group, that they just got a partnership deal with who? Coinvest. I'll put the link to that article in my description, and my link if you want to follow me on this journey as well and participate in here. Okay, you need to have my Ether wallet set up as well to participate, and you just go to myether.com, make sure it is the real site, and yeah, you can follow my journey and participate in it as well. This is a great opportunity. I love this, and this is definitely a way to get your way to passive income, and this is definitely what I'm doing, is my journey to passive income. So please join me on this journey, and don't invest anything you're not willing to lose, and nothing's guaranteed. You know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to follow me on this journey, you can at your own will after you do your own research and due diligence. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for coming by, and let's get this money. Peace.
Yeah.